Sweating can be annoying. It makes us feel sticky, uncomfortable, and sometimes even embarrassed. But what if one day humans suddenly stopped sweating completely? No sweat during workouts, no sweat on a hot summer day, no sweaty palms during stressful moments. At first, that might sound amazing. But here's the surprising truth. Sweating is one of the most important survival systems in the human body. Without it, our bodies could overheat very quickly. So, what would really happen if humans lost the ability to sweat? Let's take a closer look. The human body constantly produces heat. Every time you walk, run, think, or even digest food, your body creates energy, and that energy produces heat. If too much heat builds up inside your body, your internal temperature starts to rise. That's where sweating comes in. Humans have between 2 and 4 million sweat glands spread across our skin. These glands release sweat, which is mostly made of water and a small amount of salt. When sweat reaches the surface of your skin, it evaporates into the air. As the sweat evaporates, it carries heat away from your body, helping you cool down. This process is called thermoregulation, and it's essential for keeping your body temperature stable. In fact, humans are one of the best sweating species on Earth. Many animals rely on panting or licking their fur to cool down, but humans evolved the ability to sweat efficiently, which allowed our ancestors to survive and move in hot environments. Without sweat, this cooling system disappears. If humans suddenly stopped sweating, the first problems would appear very quickly. Even mild physical activity would start to feel much harder. Your body temperature would begin rising because there would be no natural way to release heat. You might start experiencing symptoms like dizziness, headaches, nausea, or rapid heartbeat. This condition is known as heat exhaustion. Normally, sweating helps prevent this by cooling the body. But without sweat, the body would continue heating up faster than usual. Even simple activities like walking outside on a warm day could become dangerous. Exercise, sports, and physical labor would become much more difficult and risky. If the body continues overheating, the situation can become much more serious. Eventually, a person could experience something called heat stroke. Heat stroke happens when the body temperature rises above 40 degrees Celsius, or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, the body's internal systems start to fail. The brain can become confused, and people may faint or lose consciousness. In severe cases, organs like the kidneys, heart, and brain can suffer permanent damage. Without quick cooling, heat stroke can even become life-threatening. Sweating is normally the body's first and most important defense against this kind of overheating. Without it, humans would be much more vulnerable to heat, especially in warm climates. Interestingly, there are already people who experience something similar. There is a rare medical condition called anhidrosis. People with anhidrosis cannot sweat normally, or sometimes cannot sweat at all. Because of this, they must be extremely careful when exposed to heat. Doctors often advise them to stay in cool environments, avoid intense physical activity, and drink plenty of water. So, could humanity adapt to a world without sweating? Possibly, but it would require major lifestyle changes. People might rely heavily on air conditioning, cooling technology, and specially designed clothing that helps remove heat from the body. Work schedules might shift, so people are more active during cooler nighttime hours. Cities might also be designed differently, with more shade, water features, and cooling systems. Even with these adaptations, life in hot environments would still be far more dangerous than it is today. Sweating might feel uncomfortable, but it plays a vital role in keeping our bodies safe. Every drop of sweat helps regulate body temperature and prevents dangerous overheating. Without this natural cooling system, even normal daily activities could become risky. So the next time you start sweating on a hot day, remember that your body is doing something incredibly important. It's cooling you down, and it's helping keep you alive. If you enjoyed this science question, make sure to subscribe to H Explains for more videos exploring strange and fascinating ideas about our world. Because sometimes the smallest things, like sweat, turn out to be the most important.